the Gellar Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. Look at all those pretty shades. Probably these two are my favorite with this one. Just need a little base. Cover my eye. That's what I do. Just a little. Let's go a little more here. See that? That's a 62-year-old eye. I keep repeating this, I know, but I just don't want you to think I'm some 20-something-year-old doing a great get ready with me. This is 62-year-old. Get ready with me. And we're going to finish our eye off with a brow tint and a little bit of eye.